Hey guys and girls, it's Julia from the YouTube channel Wig Review Central. Pinkee Promise Wigs and I welcome you to this review of the Belletress style Tarani. Now Tarani is part of the Cafe collection. This is a layered shag style cut with plenty of forward movement and flipped ends, which you can see here are more flipped towards the back. Now this style features a temple-to-temple sheer lace front that is contoured so that it appears more like a natural hairline. It has a left-hand side monofilament part, which is hand-tied and extends all the way back to the crown. Best of all, this is a heat-friendly style so that you can use heat tools up to 280 degrees to add waves, curls, whatever your heart desires. Well, let's take a closer look at this gorgeous mid-length style. Tarani's wig cap features a temple-to-temple, 100% hand-tied sheer lace front. It has a concave shape to give it a more natural-looking hairline. The left-hand side monofilament part extends back almost to the crown. And it is 100% hand-tied as well, and very generous. Under this fabric mesh is a small amount of permatease, which gives the style its shape and volume. On either side, you have these adjustable velour ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. The velour extended nape has buckle adjusters on either side, which allows you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to ½ inch. Tarani's cap size is average, which fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. Now this wig cap fits me snug right out of the box with the adjusters on the loosest setting, and this is unusual for a Belletress style. Typically, they do not fit me snug. I don't know if it's this particular wig or why it is fitting me so snug. So in this case, I can't say I would recommend it for someone who is larger than 22 inches in circumference. It might better suit an average, or petite. The fiber is heat friendly, and I really like the Belletress heat friendly fiber. It has no shine, it feels and moves like human hair. I'm very pleased with it. Now Tarani has a very nice natural density. It's a little thicker here at the top, and because it is, you can really build up some volume with this style. You could back comb or just squunch the fiber as I'm doing. Look at that. It really makes it much fuller. Now if you want more fullness than this, you could always back comb, but please keep in mind that back combing does take a toll on these heat-friendly fibers. It can wear them out quickly. Now when we talk about heat-friendly fibers, I have to say that they do tend to wear quicker than a regular synthetic. I do have a video that teaches you care and maintenance that you can do to extend the life of your heat-friendly styles. I'll leave that video link in the video description box under this video where you can click and watch. Tarani has a beautiful temple-to-temple sheer lace front that is contoured to look more like a realistic hairline. It's very well done. The left-hand side monofilament part is hand-tied, just like the lace front, and I really like the parting space that extends back to the crown. Now, if you would like the part to be more significant, you can always pluck along the parting space, but be careful not to overpluck or to rip the single layer monofilament. Well, let's take a look at this beautiful style from all sides. I am wearing Tarani in the beautiful color British Milktea. This is a blend of 8 browns and blondes. Now this is more of a cool tone color. There's not much warmth to it. And as you can see, it's a blend that is sort of somewhere in between a dark blonde and a light brown. More ashy than golden. I really like this color. It has a little bit of a darker brown root to it. Tarani comes in a variety of different colors. I'll leave a link in the video description box under this video where you can click to see all of the colors that this beautiful style is available in. But let's take a look at British Milktea outside in natural light. If you have any questions about this style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. Now, if you wear Tarani, we would love to hear your experience with this style. Be sure to purchase Tarani at PinkeePromise.com. I've received wigs from Pinkee Promise for a couple of years now, and I'm very happy with the customer service, which is why I recommend them. Now, when you get to the website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom and sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase, plus you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Take care. Bye-bye.